Hello, dear viewer. A very, very, very quick rant. A quick rant about this that's in the Sun. Been posted on social media by droney type people, left, right, and centre. And before I go off to read, this won't mean anything to you if you've never lived or know about the UK. Dear Deirdre, because obviously that will be the next thing to go and read. Let's talk about drone strike, Extinction Rebellion. Eco warriors vow to shut down Heathrow Airport with drones for 10 days this summer. Oh, lordy, lordy, what are we to do? Let's scroll down. And this is about another runway at Heathrow. But a document read, I'm reading from the article, read by Talk Radio said, if these demands are not met, we will hold a planned picnic and drone session in the fields around Heathrow on June the 18th, having given full notice to Heathrow authorities of our intention to do so. Well, that's very, very civilised, isn't it? And I think this is fabulous. This is a perfect opportunity to test all those counter-UAS systems. If your CUAS system does not spot and detect these guys in the fields, well then maybe, just maybe, it doesn't work. And it is BS after all. So, thanks very much. Eco warriors, you're going to help live test systems. But let's think about it just a little bit more, unpack it just a little bit more. It wouldn't take much, would it, to have picnics in, say, 100 open spaces in and around London to completely swamp Heathrow and these systems. They have a grievance. They're being fair about how they're going to air it, I think. Let's see what happens and counter UAS providers. Good luck. Here's a fantastic live test for your gear.